how to sell digital products on Whop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by visiting the Whop website. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, register using your email address and complete the basic setup. Once you're inside the dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu and click Create a Whop. Give your Whop a unique name and customize your URL. This will serve as your personal storefront where people can discover and purchase your digital products. Next, you'll be guided through a step-by-step setup. You can add apps such as live chat, live streaming, or anything else you need to support your product. Now it's time to design your store page. Upload a clean banner, your logo. Don't forget to write a headline and description that clearly explain the value of what you're selling. After that, Whop will walk you through final steps like setting your pricing, add reviews, inviting your first users, and become an affiliate. Once everything is ready, publish your Whop, and you're live. You're now set to sell digital products to a global audience, all in one seamless platform.